In siting a good apiary where you keep your bees, there are basic things you must put into consideration, which is biodiversity, that is the vegetation. The vegetation should be able to cover and supply enough nectar and pollen for the bee colony within a 3-kilometer radius, at least 3 to 5 kilometer radius for their foraging. Now, in siting, you have to get a place that has at least a good shade but allows light to penetrate. For siting a Kenyan top bar, you need to have a stand, something to raise the hive at a level above the ground, at least minimum of 15 inches above the ground. The essence of this is to prevent easy access of pests to the colony. Now, when you have a good stand with a good balance, you can improvise with any material. Like the one you are seeing now is a metal stand. You can decide to use a wooden stand. You can improvise whichever way you want, just to make sure you have a good stand. Then you now bring your box or your Kenya top bar, place it. You can either face it towards the west or towards the east. That's from the rising of the sun to the setting of the sun. So whichever way, you must make sure that they have access to light, because when they have access to good lighting, it helps them to have good activity. Now, when you face your top bar towards the east or towards the west, you now clean up. You can use any material to clean up, just like we are using this mango leaf here to clean up. After cleaning, you bait. The baiting material I used here is honey mixed with pollen, and then you pour it inside the hive. Then you cover with top bars. After that, you use your roofing material cover. Check if the stand is stable in case of heavy wind or rainfall, so that the hive will not fall off. When that is done, your siting is complete. Make sure you remove all the grasses surrounding the site so that ants cannot have access to the hive, because ants are one of the major pests that we have in beekeeping.